Guys, it is here. This is the Bose Quiet Comfort 45 headphones. This is a Bluetooth headphones that I've been waiting for a while. I've been thinking about doing the Bose 35 number 2, 35 2, and and then I saw the 45. I'm like, why not just go with the latest and greatest? And so yeah, this is the latest and greatest from Bose. This is the best noise canceling headphones out there. Well, Bose just make great noise canceling headphones. So anyway, yeah, I finally got it in, and let's go ahead and unbox it. I might do an update video on my 1 month usage and stuff like that, because right now I have no idea how this Bose sounds. Okay, so let's take that. Oh yes, the case is so nice and small. This case is so nice and small. I've had other headphones and their cases are not this small at all. But I'm so glad that it is small. That means that it folds in probably. Yep, it folds in very well. I missed this fold right here. I've used the Bose 700 before. It doesn't fold like this. I've used the brand new Sony WHM5, which is the latest one, and it doesn't fold like this. And I'm so glad that this Bose 45 fold this way, because let me tell you, it matters. It does matters, because if it folds like this, that means that you can carry it on the plane. It's just a lot more lightweight, you know. All right, lots of protection in here. I'm so glad they're doing that, because obviously, it can scratch here, which I don't like when it scratches like that. Very nice protection in the package. Look at this. Even this little thing right here has some protection too. So guys, that's top quality packaging right there. Okay, so the way you fold it, very nice, very compact. Wow, it feels like the, I used to use the Bose 35, and this folds and feels exactly like that. The ear cups is like dreamy. It's so nice and plush. Okay, so it comes with the 3.5 millimeter jack, so that if you want to plug it in, you can do that. There is also what is this? What kind of cord is this? A USB-C cord, short USB-C cord, very nice. Good job on that one. Looks like all the buttons are kind of redone from the Bose 35. Yeah. And I'm so glad that this one right here does not have touch controls. That's the big reason why I got this, is because it does not have touch controls. I can't do touch controls on these things because you don't know what you're hitting at all. Touch control is a terrible UI and user experience. Okay. Yeah, look at this. So it turns all the way this way, from this to this, and this is the furthest that this will go. Obviously, this turns it on. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so notice one thing, okay? I'm just gonna go into really in-depth here. So, one, I'm turning it on, right? But then look, if you pull, you can pull over more. I'm not sure what that is, but it has to do with turning on Bluetooth or something like that. So, interesting. Okay. There's a button right here. Don't know what that does yet, but I'm pretty sure this one right here is the volume button. The middle is clickable, by the way. This middle is clickable. Just an FYI. Surrounding the headphones, you can see a bunch of mics around here. That's to cancel the noise, I'm pretty sure. So These feels really good right here. This is actually like leather right here too, by the way. Down here, obviously down here, it's all leather right here. Looks very nice. So, well, this folds out pretty far. Oh boy, I can't hear anything when I put that thing on. The cup fits around my ear very nicely, and so if you look in here, let me just show you real quick. You look in here, it's slanted. You see that? It's not flat. This right here is slanted so that it can fit your ear better, because if you look at your ear, it's actually going down this way, right? Well, both of these are slanted, and so made so that it fits and it gives you good audio. I'm pretty sure. I mean, only the high-end headphones I've seen have done this. Very nice stitching, by the way. On the inside, I don't see any of the stitching at all in the ear cups. You see that? Very high quality. Obviously it's from Bose, so. Okay, let's connect this and give it a try. Let me see where my phone is. Okay, so I believe this headset right here, it says that it uses the Bose Music app. So I'm gonna go ahead and download that Bose Music app. So right here, it tells you the battery level of your headphones. I have 60% left, what kind of volume it's at. And then there's different modes. This is it right here. This is the mode where you can go aware or quiet, so on and so forth. Basically, this is the noise cancellation piece right here. Obviously, you don't have to use the app at all. That's just to show you, that it knows. You can connect to multiple devices. I know that for a fact. So right now, it's connected to my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I can hit and it can connect to another device if I want to. So that's pretty cool right there. But anyway, let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay guys, so with this next test right here, what I want to do is I'm going to record myself with this headphone right here. What this does right here is that it actually records everything around me. So you're going to be able to hear exactly what I'm hearing in these headphones, all right? And so I'm gonna play music because it's gonna be hooked up to this device right here, and then I'm gonna record everything that I'm listening to through these headphones, all right? So let's give that a try and see if you like it, okay? So right now, you can hear that I'm putting my headphones on. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of little static and stuff like that because I'm adjusting the headphones, right? Yep. And so let's go ahead and play this song that I really love. My volume is about 25%. All right, so let's go ahead and listen to that. So as you can already hear, there's a lot of bass. This song is a hip hop song, so it's lots of bass in this hip hop song, all right? Next, let me go in the Bose app. I'm gonna go mode, and I'm gonna go aware mode.
Aware.
So you heard that. It says it's changed to aware mode. Let's go back here. Let's see if it changes at all. I'm going to use the button to turn on my volume. Press the middle button. Let's see what that does. So that's literally just to stop the music. Press it again. Play the music. Let me double tap to see if it skips, okay? Yep, so it looks like it skips the next track when you double press on that button. Very nice. There's another button over here. This is probably the noise cancellation button. Let me try.
Quiet.
So the part is quiet, which I believe is noise cancellation. Okay, so next, what I want to do is I'm just going to stop the music real quick, let you guys listen to the stuff that is surrounding me. All right, so I'm going to take this off to let you listen to all the things that are surrounding me. You can probably hear some people using the keyboard back there, tapping it really loudly. Once in a while, you'll hear them scream about the game. Kind of whisper to their friends. Okay, now I'm going to put this thing on. So, I don't know, is it complete silence in here? I'm going to turn off quiet mode.
Aware.
So now it's saying it's in aware mode. Okay, so there you go. That's aware mode right there.
Quiet.
Quiet mode. So this is quiet mode right here. Okay, so there you have it. That's the Bose QC45 right there. I hope that this little gadget that I have here helped you hear or not hear what's coming through these headphones. I don't know how it sounds yet because I have this thing plugged in my ear, but once I get in there and edit it, I'm pretty sure it's incredible. I can kind of hear that it's blocking a lot of the stuff out, but not, obviously these are plugged to my ear, so it's really blocked already. So anyway, yeah, that's it for me. That's my quick look at the Bose QC45 right there. Hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.